Alright, today we're going to do a little unboxing here and first impression of the Vacpack. So I bought it because planning this trip to New Zealand and didn't look like the luggage that I had was going to be big enough, and hopefully this does a little bit better job. Now I did buy all the accessories for it, but in the shipping notification, the shipping email, it says that this package only contains the vacuum plus the bag itself. So yeah, we're just gonna open her up here and take a look at it. Okay. This looks to be just like a little toiletry type bag here. I don't know if that's just a little freebie extra or if that is part of the package. You know what, now that I think about it, I think that was part or one of the little accessories that you could buy. And that actually looks pretty nice. A little compact. Not something I would stick a toothbrush and deodorant in, I don't think, but definitely something for some charging cables. And then, looks like we might need some scissors or something for this. I will be right back. Alright, going with the scissors instead of the knife because I don't want to slice anything open. One more cut right in here. Alright. Okay. So it looks like just a nice big backpack, which, I mean, that's exactly what it looks like on the website. I don't know if I bought this from people that are actually producing it or if I got it from some type of drop shipper. I'm not real too concerned about it either way. But so we got some buckles to hold it compact there. And I believe this is supposed to open up like a suitcase somehow. We got more buckles over here. There's some zippers, but that's going to open up like, oh no, that does open up like a suitcase. Okay, that's nice. And then here is the little vacuum part of it. So if we got the vacuum and the toiletry bag in this, I think it was little compartment cubes was another accessory. So I'm still waiting on that, it looks like. Okay, just a little instruction booklet for both the vacuum and the travel locks. Probably got more about the bag in here too. We'll check that out later. And we'll check the vacuum out later as well. Let's look more into the bag. So it looks like right here is where you're going to hook up the vacuum pump. I don't know why I'm trying to rip it. I got scissors right there. And that is very tough. Why is that so tough? Am I missing something here? Wow, that is very hard. Okay, so there's a vacuum pouch. Smaller than I expected, which means that there's got to be another way to open this. There's another zipper over here. Okay, so this is just the regular backpack zipper. And that pocket goes all the way down. Very deep. It's got some extra spaces here for some tablets or laptops to keep them safe. Some pockets up here. Little divider down here at the bottom. Okay. And there is a zipper in here in between. Where is... Okay. Is this just a compression zipper? I bet it is. Yeah, it's just an expansion compression zipper. Okay, so not getting anything in there. I like that it overlaps though. That's very cool. That's a very nice design. So you don't have an extra bulge in between where the zippers are. Okay, so how deep is this pocket? That goes all the way down. Okay. Okay, so first impressions, this is smaller than I expected, by quite a bit. I was thinking, based on the videos online, I thought this was, excuse me, I thought there were going to be 2 vacuum pockets, so to only have 1 is a little disappointing. But let me go get my suitcase that I had planned on taking, and we'll see what can fit. Okay, so here is the setup that I was planning on taking. I was going to do a little luggage case and a backpack, and I only got stuff out that I was planning on taking. I hadn't even started actually packing yet because I wasn't really sure if it was all going to fit. My hope was that this Vacpack would replace the actual luggage. If it is not big enough to replace that, I am okay with replacing the backpack, although I would rather take the Vacpack and the backpack. We'll see how it goes though. I will start loading up this backpack, or the Vacpack, and just seeing how everything fits, and we'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so funny story. I started packing and I was able to get 90 to 95% of what I planned on taking in the luggage and the backpack that I already had. So haven't even really touched, doesn't look like I have much need for the Vacpack on this trip. Obviously I'm going to keep rearranging because, like I said, I would rather just take the backpack and the Vacpack. But yeah, it's kind of surprised myself here. So we're going to keep rearranging, keep figuring things out, and we'll get back to you guys when I figure something out. Okay, so I've been at this just about all day, but I was able to get everything out of the suitcase and into the Vacpack. These side straps with the buckles are incredible. I don't think without those it would be within specs, dimension specs of going on the plane. So those are great. And then, yeah, so I will definitely be able to roll with just the Vacpack and the backpack. The only thing that I forgot to do for this right now is an extra pair of shoes. So I'm definitely going to have to try to make some room for those. Obviously, my trip isn't for a couple of months, so I have plenty of time to get stuff rearranged better and in here a little bit better. But yeah, so right now, the Vacpack has much more room in it than I thought it did just from opening it up here earlier. It was able to do a lot. I think actually, so let's take a look at this, because the vacuum part of it did not go down nearly as much as I expected, and it's only been a couple of hours. I bet it's not even really vacuumed that much anymore. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, it's actually pretty decent, better than I expected anyway. It was a little bit better earlier, but it's still pretty decent. I do have a pair of jeans in there. That is probably not the way to go. Like I said, I'm going to rearrange some things, and I got an extra pair of shoes to pack anyway. So, but I will definitely be rolling with the Vacpack and the backpack on my trip. So if you want to hear my opinion on the Vacpack after the trip, definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.